This hour's car review had a chance to drive the 2022 Ford Bronco. Available in these trim levels. There's the base, the Big Bend, the Black Diamond, the Outer Banks, the Badlands, the Wild Track, the Everglades, and the Raptor.
Wow.
I had the Everglades. This is considered a small SUV, seats 5 passengers, including the driver. Exterior changes, it was all new in 2022. Exterior features, throwback 1966 styling. It still resonates today and has a lot of cues to 66, but in a modern way. Convertible hard, removable roof panels and doors, flat sides with fender flares, big tires for serious off-roaders. What I liked about it, the options and the aftermarket accessories. What could use improvement? Wind noise from the tops.
Yeah.
It's noisy.
I noticed that too.
Interior highlights, big touchscreen, 12-inch with the center console, easy-to-use system, weather-resistant surfaces and controls throughout the cabin because it can do that. Depending on the trim, it has color contrasting interior appointments. Cargo and trunk room. It's pretty tight on the two-door. There's not a lot of cargo and trunk room behind the second seat on the two-door. Four-door.
Can't get too much junk in the trunk.
Right. But I like the two-door look better than the four-door, but that's just me, and I've always liked that. What I liked about it, the mounting rail that is an option on the upper dash. So they have mounts for like your cell phone, your GPS, your radar detector, whatever it is, and it's a rail that fits up there on the dash. Have you seen that, Mars?
No.
Next time you get a Ford Bronco, check that out. It's really cool. What could use improvement? I don't know on the interior. 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline 4-cylinder engine. Horsepower 300 horsepower, 325 pound-feet of torque. Tow rating 3,500 pounds. Haul rating 1,246 pounds.
It's the same little turbo 4 they put in the Mustang then.
Miles per gallon, 18 city, 17 on the highway. I got 17.2 over 455.1 miles. Plenty of power. I don't think anything could use improvement when it comes to the powertrain. Ride and handling, no shimmy shakes on this, despite its ability to go hill climb and off-road. What could use improvement? Well, just remember, if you're going to look for a car like this, this is a purpose-built off-roader. So don't expect it to act like a car or an SUV for that matter, and especially the two-door with its shorter wheelbase. It's an off-road vehicle, and people don't go off-road in them. They drive them on the street, I don't understand that. I guess
different expectations.
Yeah. Base trim price is $53,000. Price is tested $56,535. You can get in one if you can find one for $31,300. Competitors, Jeep Wrangler for $39,455. Toyota 4Runner, which is an SUV, $39,555 is where it starts, and the Chevy Colorado, which is a pickup truck, for $29,200. So really, the only competitor, in my estimation, is the Jeep Wrangler. And that's my review.
Is the Everglade a specific only color as well?
I don't know. Mine was desert sand. I didn't drill down into it that deeply, but I would imagine you could get different colors. But at any rate, that's my review of the 2022 Ford Bronco. The In-Wheel Time Car Talk.